Hello and welcome. This is Dean Mannheimer. We are in Doobly Network getting started. Step number 4. We are going to take you through the balance of the links that are available for you in Doobly Network. Step 1, we took you through a few of them as it relates to customizing the website, setting up your profile page, the vouchers, those types of things. We're going to go through the rest of it in this training session. I will go through the high points, but I encourage you to go through each of these specifics that you'll see here in this recording. And learn what is there specifically. So if you've got any questions, you get to whoever your upline is, your support team. Make sure we get those questions answered so that you're comfortable and you know where the location of things are at. Again, just as some high points that you know you've logged in. Up here at the top, it'll show your name, business associate number. This is where you'll log out when you're ready to close the session. Here is your rank, days left for renewal. All of that will be available for you right up here at the top. So now what we want to do is let's just take a look at what is available for us in Doobly Network. And these are the tools and the links that are available for you so that you can run a global seamless business. Under My Office, the sublinks that are available is, for example, here, the first one is Buy a Package. Now when you click on Buy a Package, this is where you'll come if you want to upgrade. For example, if you came in as a team member, the $4.95 package, and you want to upgrade to any of the TLA packages, those are available for you right here. These bottom 3 items, and you pay the difference between what you came in and what you would pay for the whatever upgrade you want to take. Also, this is where all of the other packages, the other additional, if you want to buy additional membership packages, 20, 40, VIP membership packages, discounted VIP membership packages, all of those types of products that are available for us are right here for you to purchase, including your monthly VIP requirement voucher. So if you tick this little circle right here, when you do that, it's going to open up an additional drop down. This is where you'll select whether you want to buy just 1 for the month, that's required. You can buy 3 in advance, 6, 9, or 12. These are the prices for it. And then once you've made your selection, it will populate down here what the total charge is. You will then fill in your name on the credit card number, exact expiration date, your security code, the appropriate information, and just place order. And then you're done, and you will have the ability then to have all of that in your inventory in your back office. Now under My Orders, the second link down is where you'll actually see what you just did. This is where you're going to see any packages, anything that you bought at your historical data in terms of all of the packages or any purchases that you've made. And you have the ability here to, if for some reason you transposed a number on a credit card, rather than trying to rebuy it, it's going to appear back here under My Orders in red. And where this open balance in red is 0, it'll actually be here. For example, let's just say when I was filling this out, I transposed my credit card number when I went to buy my membership package. Well, the process would have gone through. I'd have gotten an ID number. It would have just shown I hadn't paid for it yet. But rather than trying to start it all over again, I would log into the website using my email and password that I used when I started the process. I would come here to My Orders. And I would, if this was the one right here, this would be in red, meaning I hadn't paid for it. I would just tick this little box off here. It would self-populate the total down here. And again, I would fill this data in, make sure it's appropriate, click Pay Now, and I'm done. It makes it simple and easy, especially if I made a mistake when I was registering or somebody did, or even on an order that you're placing, so that you're not duplicating the order or placing the order twice. Now also, we'll go down the third link here. Under My Earnings, this is where you'll come. You can take a look at your earnings on a day-to-day basis, hour-to-hour basis if you so incline. It breaks down your earnings in a couple of ways. Number one is network commissions, and this is on the network side. It'll break it down by business associate packages, partner programs, and promotions that the company happens to be running. If you click on any of these links, it will give you a breakdown, line item by line item, on who bought what, where they bought it, what their ID number is, that type of thing. So you'll have the ability to look at that for any of these categories, and this will all appear here. And this is under the network commissions. Your personal commissions tab is going to show the breakdown of all your personal customers, shopping mall, travel, memberships. If you want to get a breakdown, again, you'll click on the link. It'll give you line item by line item. The pending cashback is what is due you from your personal customers, or I should say from your personal purchases on the doobly.com site. Organizational customers is just that. It's going to give you a breakdown of all of the customers in your organization. Same category, shopping mall, travel, membership, partner programs, line item by line item. And this deductions tab would show any chargebacks that happen to be occurring in the month. Now, also down here in your available balance, or view balance, You have pending balance and available balance. The pending balance is going to be a total of everything that you see up here. Whether it's network, personal, all of it, it will appear in a single line item right here under pending. When it's available to you to be transferred to your account, however you set that up, it will move from the pending to the available, and it will appear here on this line. So that's all available for you, very, very succinct way and quick and easy way for you to be able to see about your own earnings. Now, the next link down below my earnings is payout. Now, this is very important, especially for those of you that are brand new. This is critical for you because you are brand new. You have not gone through a payroll or a commission run yet. And so you're in the process of creating your first commission run. First thing I want you to do is come to this location, click on here on the link that says how it works. A tutorial will pop up for you. Now, the commissions is handled for Doobly by a company called Voucher. Voucher handles a lot of commissions for a lot of different companies. And this tutorial will literally walk you through exactly what you need to do to set up your commissions account correctly, when to do it, how to do it, what the process is, where to go. It's very clearly laid out here for you. And this really, all new business associates probably need to kind of go through this tutorial a couple of times, but it's going to walk you through everything. So again, make sure that you've done that, make sure that you've gone here so that you can handle your own commissions correctly. Also notice right up here in this area, it says specifically when you will want to place your request to have your commissions run, because it is on the back, what we call the back end of our business, through the customers and the vouchers and all those types of things. We're paid once a month, and we request, and that is on the 15th, but the request for the previous month's commissions is done between the 6th and the 9th. That's what this shows you right here. Requests can be made once each month between the 6th and the 9th. Do not miss that 9th cutoff date at 00. This is midnight Central European time, which would be 6 p.m. Eastern time. If you make the request on the 10th, you won't get it on the following month. You're going to have to wait a month later. So don't make that mistake of missing the cutoff date. Also under my office is my organization. This is where you will come, and this is where you get to see a breakdown on your organization. It'll show you their names. It'll show you their business associate number. It'll show you the date that they registered, and it continues to break down. You'll see here when I click on this, it closes it up. It's actually a plus sign, and so you'll see your people in a plus sign format. You click on the plus sign, it opens it up, and then you'll see it in this format as well. So, and that's the plus sign right there. Now, monthly qualification vouchers is just another location to see what the due date is on your voucher, when it's coming up, what you need to do, you know, that type of thing. You'll see that you have that available to you in a couple of different locations. This particular location will also give you a record of all of the vouchers you bought, those types of things, when they were purchased, and who basically bought them from you. So that's also under my office. My organization, my qualifications, and then my customer points, these are just your customers. It will give you whether they're free, premium, or VIPs, and they will break it down by whether they're in the U.S., whether they're in Europe, whether they're in Australia. That type of information is available for you there. Under my personal customers, that will give you a breakdown of your personal customers and the referred customers from them. Again, whether they're free, personal, or VIP. The My Contacts is if you choose to upload some contacts into your back office, you can do that, and this is where you'll come and review that. The My Profile, we've already gone through that in detail in the step 1 of the Getting Started. My Downloads is basically where you see your receipts. And anything that you purchase, anything that you do is sent to you in a PDF file. And it will show up here, and then you can, if you choose to, you can either download it on your hard drive or print it. Also up here in the corner, you're going to notice right here where I move the cursor, the number 2 appears here. This will tell you the number of downloads that you have available, and that's where you're going to see that here in this My Download section. So that's all under my office. Now under vouchers, we've also gone through the vouchers when we did the step 2 training and the step 3 training. But this, for those of you that bought your different packages, this is where you'll come. You'll see the number you have left. You'll also be able to come here. You'll see your voucher history, all of that. We covered this in the step 2 training. The reports is a link that you can come to. It will give you a breakdown on all of the different kinds of reports that are available. You have My Business, so if you come back here, you click on My Business. These are just a variety of different kinds of reports that are available for you to run. You can select which is best for you based on how you're running your business, what you want to do, that type of thing. Also back here under Team Recognition, this will give you a quick overview of the top 10 cash flow, top 10 recruits, top 10 team leader recruits, team coordinator recruits, sales directors, and vice presidents. So those are in here for you to look at. And then under My Personal Reports, this will give you a breakdown on your own cash flow, customers, and your honors. Under the education link, here's where you come for the Doobly Academy. Under the Doobly Academy, this is where you will come for both your certification training for those of you that selected the TLA package, or those of you that have upgraded and chose to do the certification training. You'll come here to the Academy, you'll click Please Visit the Doobly Academy Now. When you click on that, it's going to take you to a page where you have available to you whatever's available to you. Now, if you're a team member and you've not purchased the TLA package, or you're somebody that has built a team leader, even team coordinator, and has not yet purchased the certification training, back here you will not see that training available to you. But other training that Doobly rolls out, the other types of trainings that are available, will all be back here for you to go through as well. So this is all going to be shown you in this format. It'll break it down for you, the pending courses, completed courses, and all those types of things. So that's all right here available for you. Also part of the educational program that Doobly is putting in place for you. Also under education is where the Doobly Business System is. The Doobly Business System is very important. In fact, I'll tell you what we're going to do. I'm going to close this particular training so that we have a little bit of extra time left. We will do another training. I will pick up from here. But for right now, I want to say thank you very much. I will see you on the next training. You want to pick that one up right away so that you have that information. And we'll start from right here on the Doobly Education tab itself. See you on the next leg of training.